Cornwell dealer just came back from a tool show and brought me this to try out. This is a universal swivel socket set. Here's the base, and then we got here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all the way through 19 millimeter sockets. Been using it since yesterday after he brought it, and today we're going to use it on this Mirage that we took the interior apart, and now I got to get to some bolts underneath the steering column. But just to show, we're going to use the 12 millimeter, and all you have to do is put the socket in, pull up on the silver portion just to set the socket in place, and it's in place and swivels all around. We're going to put it on the impact here in a second, and then go underneath the steering column just to show the angle that you can get to with this universal swivel socket. It's spring loaded, no bearing or pins that will break. So here in a second we'll get underneath the steering column and I'll show you that clip. Okay, so we are now underneath the car. So I gotta tighten that bolt and that bolt. As you can see, I have the tool on the extension. There's a real tight spot underneath here, but it works wonders trying to record and do this all at the same time. And hold on to readjust my hands, but as you can see, it's on, and just like that, I just barely snugged it. And we'll go to the other bolt. I'm trying to look at the camera and the socket at the same time. And there, just like that, it gets to it. Even the slight thickness of the socket, it still gets into this somewhat tight spot, and really works wonders. No stickiness, just works smooth. Had a little angle to it, just because of the 3/8 impact that I have, but right now it works good and smooth. And I believe I got one of my technicians to place an order already, and he loved it just off seeing it and how it works and being universal from 8 millimeter to 19 millimeter. So here we'll get more clips of using the tool here in a few. So here we got one of our other techs trying the new universal swivel Cornwell socket set. You got some front brakes to do on this Mirage. He's going to try it out, see how it works.
Normally we break this loose first, but you know, we're just gonna send it and see what happens.
Good.
I like it.
What you think of the whole set?
The set itself is nice, I'm not gonna lie. I really like this right here. Real simple to come on. Easy to put back on. I don't think you're gonna lose any of them, so it shouldn't be a problem.
So this guy right here has already placed an order before even using it. Just by the looks of it, he liked it. But as you can see, he liked it to do the front brakes on this Mirage. And we'll try to see what else. We can get some of the other techs to try it out and see what they think. The side-by-side comparison. Cornwell's new universal swivel socket, Mako's swivel socket, both 15s. The difference between this one and this one has a little pin. Let's see, whoa. Has a little pin that's in there that normally breaks. And this one's just a spring loaded, and as Malik said, it's a lot smoother on the swivel side.
It is.
And less resistance.